Come walk through our tiny home on wheels. It doesn't take long. First thing we added was more storage. We got these cabinets from IKEA, and they are great for pantry space. We changed out the countertop for butcher block, also from IKEA. We painted the cabinets white, and we swapped out the two-way propane fridge for a 12-volt electric fridge. This is actually my favorite change. So much more space, and it works great with our solar and Lion Energy batteries. We added full-size bunks. They're actually pretty comfortable. We use beddies for both beds. Makes it easy to zip up and look organized every day. There's also space for their toys and books, and even Mason's piano. The bathroom surround had some built-in shallow shelves that drove us crazy, so we replaced it with these waterproof vinyl tiles from Lowe's. And the biggest change was removing the bathroom door, cabinet, and sink, and using the plumbing for these bad boys. We love having our own washer and dryer instead of spending time at a laundromat. We added some more IKEA cabinets to store everyone's clothes, and we added some cute storage baskets up above. And of course, we love our beddies on our queen-size bed as well. It's tiny, but it's perfect for adventures right now. We chose this floor plan to make it easy to bring our bikes along and to enjoy this patio space when the door is down.